So, how are you, friends? I hope you are all good. So, I am starting today's analysis on XAU means gold. So, friends, let's start first. This is the first crossover. And here too, the front line comes like this. The market cover is at the trend of gold. So, I hope that the sell will go. And this is our zone, which has been valid since yesterday. So, we have a lot of hope that today the gold will come on sale. So, friends, if it goes a little too far, then touch the strand line and hit it. Then it will run towards the gold sale again. So, I hope that the gold sale will come today. And this is enough. And this too. Overall trend, friends, is the gold sale. And if it goes too far, then touch the strand line and the sale will come again. And we can expect the sale here. As soon as the market crossovers, the market will run towards the sale after it crossovers. So, there is enough hope that the market will cross it. So, we have to wait until the market moves here. And here, and again the test, and again the sale here. There is enough hope. So, let's wait, friends, what the market behaves. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video for motivation for the next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.